Kalshi is a partner for this channel and this video.
Trading on Kalshi involves risk and may not be appropriate for everyone. You can lose some or all of the money you invest, including fees. This video is informational purposes only and is not financial advice. You must be 18 and older to trade. Please trade responsible. Imagine knowing something before the rest of the world does and getting paid for it. That's not a fantasy. That's Kalshi, the largest prediction market in the United States. And the process is simple. Get $20 when you trade just $20 on Kalshi. You can start today. It's like the stock market, but instead of trading companies, you're trading real-world events that's happening right now. A complete game changer.
Politics, sports, entertainment, whether you name it, Kalshi got you covered.
I got 3 powerful reasons why people are choosing Kalshi and using Kalshi every day.
Number 1, it's completely legal and available in all 50 states. No gray areas, no VPNs, no wondering if you're breaking the rules.
We're gonna win!
Kalshi is fully regulated and available to everyone, everywhere in the United States. That means you can trade with a total peace of mind, knowing your account, your money, your winnings are being protected by the highest U.S. standards in America.
And remember, get $20 free when you trade just $20 on Kalshi. Sign up today.
Number 2, the markets are endless and incredibly exciting. You're not stuck on one category. You can trade the next presidential election.
May God bless the United States of America.
And I'm writing a book. I think I wrote 12 books. All the
Winner of the next Super Bowl.
Running down to celebrate with a defensive play.
I will never.
The box office of the summer's biggest movie. Or you can trade next week's weather in your local city.
And that's going to continue through the morning hours.
Sounds exciting, right? Kalshi puts your knowledge to work. It's direct peer-to-peer trading, so prices reflects on people's belief, not a house edge. That means better odds and more opportunity. And number 3, the numbers don't lie. Over 1 million users has already traded over $2 billion on Kalshi. That means it's probably time for me and you to put our predictions in. That's real liquidity, real volume, and real people just like you making smart bets every single day.
credit for this, but that's okay. I never do. But here we are.
When you join Kalshi, you're not stepping into no empty market. You're joining the biggest, the most active prediction marketplace in the entire country. Check out Kalshi, do your research, and I look forward to seeing you trading with Kalshi.
We're gonna win!
Because it's legal, it's fun, and it's everywhere. And it actually pays you for being right about the world. And don't forget this, remember, $20 free. You get $20 free when you trade $20 on Kalshi. Tell your friends, get signed up today. I'm Shelton, and I'm the captain. Check out Kalshi. I got the link around this video or in the description box. I'll see you in the market.